First, we check the package .3dbx. The version is 3.0 here. Then we also check bga.3dbv. The version is 3.0 here. And there are the paths to 3.0 files like 3dbo, mechanical_tech_file. Now we create a new project in i3D. Then we click Import icon, select Import 3Dblox, then we will see Import window pop out. Set Import File, choose package.3dbx. In Preview window, you can see the version is 3.0 here, and click Import icon below. Now the 3Dblox is imported and we can see the whole floor plan. Click Export icon and choose Export 3Dblox. Then we will see Export window pop out. Set export path and enable export all designs. Most important, set version to 3.0. Then we click export icon below. Now we can see the .3dbx exported successfully. Then we go to export folder to check. First, we check package.3dbx. We can see the version is exported as 3.0 here. Second, we check bga.3dbx. We can also see version is 3.0 and 3.0 related files like .3dbo path.